Hello everyone, this is Crystal, PM Director of DFI System Product Division. Today I'm glad to be here to share you DFI's product plan and successful stories in the transportation market. During my presentation, if you got any questions, please just feel free to type your questions in the chatting box. We will answer your questions after the webinar, and if we cannot answer your question, we will follow up them by emails. Okay, let's get started. Today's, there are 4 sessions for today's presentation. The first, I will introduce our DFI's target markets, and secondly, I will share successful stories to you all. And third, I will do the key product introductions. Then the last one will show you the product plan for the autonomous driving. Okay, the first section, DFI's target markets is focused on the 4 major in-vehicle segments, from the public transportation and the local government emergency vehicles. They are the on-road vehicles. And for the off-road part, we offer some solutions to the warehousing logistic vehicles, like forklift and AGV. Also, because of our rugged design, we have some solutions for the heavy-duty vehicles, for the construction and agriculture. Here is our solution summary and overview. We offer the Intel-based, Atom-based vehicle gateway, and also Core i7 vehicle controller. And not only the Intel solution, we have the ARM-based NXP IMX6 controller for the gate control and the AFC. And for the autonomous driving, now we are developing a video analysis system based on Intel and NVIDIA combination. This product will be introduced detailed in a later session. And not only computer, DFI has a variety display solutions for transportation market, like a driver display based on the Intel Atom and also ARM. And we provide a different size of bar type monitors for the passenger information. You can get more product information from our solution page as listed on this page. We know the environment in vehicle is harsh and safety is critical. DFI design the vehicle PCs are all reliable, safe, and advanced. That are all the vehicle manufacturer concern. Our system can working in a wide temperature from the -20 to 70 at least. And we support the wide voltage input from the 9 to 36, and also certified with the E mark and ISO 7637-2. Of course, to ensure the reliability in the harsh vibration, high vibration environment, we follow MIL standard to validate the system to ensure they can work in the critical environment. The power management and ignition control is also well considered. Then we will introduce detail in the next page. CAN bus and RF features are also supported, and we have selected products, they support IP65 or 67. Moreover, along with the rising demand on smart transportation and autonomous driving, AI accelerated element will also found in our vehicle product portfolios. This is our power management board introduction. We know the power management is a key for protecting the vehicle PC not damaged from the improper shutdown. DFI's power management board is designed in about 2.5 inch size, a small size to install in the unit. It supports wide voltage input for different vehicles and features full protection functions like surge protection, over voltage, over current protection, and also to prevent the polarity reverse. The power management part, we have the dip switch or BIOS, two ways to do the setting, like ignition on-off control or power on-off delay. And you can set OS protection time, and the power management board can do the car battery voltage monitoring to ensure at the low voltage level, the system cannot be turned on to protect the system not working when the battery out of power. The system on-off delay time is range from the 0 to 5 minutes to switch on the system. And for the off delay time can be set from the 0 to 1 hour. Sometimes when you switch off the system, but the OS is still working, so we need to set our OS protection time to protect OS to crash when the system is you switch off the system, but the OS is still running. The protection time can be set from the 120 seconds to maximum 36,000 seconds, and with the 10-second interval. Next sessions, I would like to share you some of our successful stories. This case is deployed in the police vehicle in Europe. This is an Atom-based CPU system. We call it VC230-AL. It's a compact system, but with the rich features. In the police car, it behaves like a vehicle gateway. Through the VC230-AL, the police can get command from the control center through the 4G network and give the high accuracy precision to the control center. The embedded GNSS helps to find the shortest route to police to the target destination. The system features dual SIM socket. It helps police to save telecommunication fee and also give the police uninterrupted 4G network by switching to different operators. We win the case not only the rich features, but also DFI offers a quick response and flexible to accept a customization. This case is a surveillance system in the public transportation like bus and train. The system VC70B-KU is equipped with the low-power Intel dual-core i7 processor blade. It supports up to 4 USB 3.0 ports, which benefit SI to connect the cameras with high transfer rate. And not only the USB ports, the system offers the 5 serial ports, CAN bus, and 8-bit DL ports to connect the different sensors. And thanks for our rugged design, the system operates in a stable and reliable manner, even in the pump bus. This case is a passenger information system deployed in Nordic. We offer them the 39-inch and 42-inch high brightness bar tab panel PC. You know, the DFI provides comprehensive bar tab display solutions for transportation markets. DFI's bar tab display series available in multiple panel size with long life cycle, wide viewing angles, high brightness, and also can work in the wide operating temperature from -20 to -60. The panel PC is certified by the EMARC and also provide the ignition function to the customer. This is a bus driver console based on the IMX6 10-inch panel PC. It provides a bus station information and bus status like door open or light status to the driver. The console is with 350 nits and support PCAP touch. Okay. This is a logistic truck driver panel PC. This is also a 10-inch panel PC based on the Atom processor blade. Is put on the truck and over the provides information to the driver and also deliver the shipping status and delivery status to the control center. It offers 4 DIDO and 4 serial ports, and also with the CAN bus and multiple USB ports. So with the multiple IOs, variety IOs options, it connect to different sensors. And the panel, the front bezel is IP65 certified with the brightness 500 nits. In this small size, we also provide 3 mini PCIe slots and the SIM sockets for RF module and cellular expansion. The power management and eMark is also supported. Next session, I will introduce you the key products of our vehicle PCs. This is our VC230-AL gateway PC. The size is very compact. The width is around 180 and the depth in 121 millimeter. In depth is 50 millimeter. It's fully certified by the EMARC and also work in the -40 to 70 degrees C. With this high temperature support, all the system is designed in the fanless. The system is based on the Intel Upper Lake processor from E3930 to the 3950. It supports 8 GB memory at maximum, and For the OS storage, it offers a minimum 32 and maximum 64 gigabytes capacity for the OS installation. There is a GNSS solder to support a GPS or different or Beidou and Galileo different GNSS. The VC230-AL supports 3 mini PCI slots. The first one, it can support the LTE module, but with the dual SIM slots. As I mentioned in a few minutes before, the dual SIM can help customer to save the telecommunication fee and also to ensure in the continuous operation because it can support 2 different operators. And the second mini PCI slots also is in other option for the LTE modules or other function I/O boards and like CAN bus or extra I/O. And the third is a half-size mini PCIe slot for wireless module or can be the storage interface for the mSATA module. The system is wide voltage support and with the power ignition function. The OS parts will support Windows 10 and Ubuntu 18.04. VC230-AL is a small size, but we features a lot of IOs like isolated 8-bit DIO. It supports 4DO and 4DI. Through the DB sub connector, this supports a dual port CAN bus and 1 J1708 port through DFI's mini PCIe CAN module. For display, we offer a DVI and HDMI. The DVI supports VGA as well, and the HDMI has a screw hole for customer to secure the HDMI cable to prevent the drop off. And 1 serial port and total 5 antenna holes. There are 4 antenna SM type antenna holes and 1 FME antenna hole. It offered 2 USB 2.0 and 2 USB 3.0, but with the screw holes for fixing the USB cables. We know the vibration is a big concern for the vehicle users. And also the remote power on off switch to help customer to place the unit in any positions. The power management board I have introduced previously. It's for support on ignition system on off delayed and any protection function. This is our CAN bus module. It is a standard mini PCIe card form factor. It's based on the USB signals and offer the dual port CAN bus and also 1 additional J1708 port. The baud rate is about 1 megabits and the whole module is supporting the -40 to 85. This is another Pro Lake in vehicle PCs. It is also based on the Intel Atom E39 series. But with the small form factor, it can equip with a 2.5-inch SATA drive. There are 2 PoE ports to connect to the cameras, and dual mini PCIe slots to support the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mSATA, or LTE and other I/O functions. The input voltage is quite wide range from the 9 to 48. The operating temperature can be -40 to 70. The whole system is about palm size, fanless, and with a rich I/O and cable-free design. And the most interesting thing is there is optional panel keys. You can connect them together to become a panel PC. This is our BML I just introduced. With our mechanical design, it can easily assemble to our panel kits. The panel kits, the panel module kits, the size can be the small one like 7-inch to 21-inch. The touch, you have the resistive and capacitive touch options. With these 2 modules in assembly together, it is all-in-one panel PC. This is our Core i7 solution based on the Kaby Lake U processor, the VC230-AL, also E-Mark certified with a fanless and small form factor from the 184 to 118 days, and the height is about 82. The memory is supports DDR4 up to 8 GB, but with the solder onboard design. So it's quite reliable for the vibration environment. You see, there are total 8 COM ports designed in this unit, and also offers 8-bit isolation DIOs. The last one is our VP101-BT, the panel PC with the E-Mark certified, and it is about 10-inch size with the P-cap touch. The brightness supports 500 nits. It's based on the Intel Atom Bay-Trail processor, and with the solder on board memory, but supporting the ECC memory for the ECC. The front bezel is IP65 certified. The operating temperature from the -20 to the 60. We have 2 side IOs from the top and the bottom. So the COM ports in total, there are 4 serial ports supported, and also 8-bit DIO, and CAN bus embedded in the system, and offer the audio function to in this unit. Okay, the next and the last session is our product plan for the autonomous driving. It's now autonomous is a hot topic in the vehicle. As you may know, there are 4 major elements in the autonomous vehicle. The first one is an intra-vehicle. There are many subsystems connected together through different protocols, like the CAN bus, like Ethernet, or MIPI. Secondly, outside of the vehicles, you need ADAS sensors to detect the surrounding environment like radar, like LiDAR and camera systems. The third, through the ADAS sensors, we collect environment parameters and data to the vehicle, but we need a brain to judge these data. The AI, artificial intelligence, just plays the role of vehicle brain to make decisions according to the training model. And finally, the decision or information needs to be delivered to the other vehicles or infrastructures through the cellular or DSRC or V2X, these communication protocols. So to be the autonomous, the AI, the brain, is the most key to for the autonomous driving. DFI is developing a fanless NVIDIA AI accelerated platform. We combine the Intel Coffee Lake processor and also NVIDIA MXM graphics module, become a very high performance and rugged AIoT edge computer. The computer, it will be fully certified by the railway certification, EN 50155 and E-Mark vehicle certification. The system with a very high power but can support -25 to 70 operation temperature. It offers 4 PoE with 15 watts of each to connect to the cameras. And every I/O supports a securable and with the isolation design. This AIoT edge computer is targeting the 3 major applications, like driverless bus, chain, and also can be used to do the check monitoring for the railway check or airport check. And it's very suitable for the outdoor use or in the critical environment for the security and surveillance application, because it's a high reliability design. This is a detailed specification of this AIoT edge computer. We call it VC230-CS. As I mentioned, it supports Intel Gen 8 and 9th Coffee Lake processor blade with the 8-core 35 watts CPU. Memory can be up to 64 gigabytes. And the most important about the AI accelerator is we will support Type-B MXM up to 115 watts with the 2,304 CUDA cores with the 2 options, GeForce solutions or Quadro solutions. The system offers the 4 PoE ports at RJ45 connectors or securable M12 connectors, and over the 8 DI and DO ports with isolation design, 2 serial ports, and other IOs like this here. Regarding the storage, there is one M.2 supporting the different 3 different size M.2 modules, and supports up to 4 external swappable 2.5-inch driver bays. Regarding the expansion, there are 4 mini PCI slots and 1 M.2 big keys. The mini PCI slots, as you know, you can support the LTE or Wi-Fi or some function I/O modules. But the BT M.2 we can support. Is based on the USB 3.0 or 2.0 signals to support the 5G module and with the one SIM slot. So it reserves the expansion to the 5G. The power input is from the 9 to 36 DC and support power on-off delay management, and all the system will be eMark and MIL standard certified. This is for our vehicle autonomous application. But for the chain, we have the same design but different power modules to support the rail computer. We call it RC300-CS. The design and I/O, the functions are all the same as the VC300-CS, but the input voltage will be 72 to 110 volt DC. And the system will be certified by the railway standard EN 5155 and fireproof EN 45545. If you got any interest, please contact your sales representative. Okay, this is all my presentation. If you have any question, please type your question in the chatting box. I appreciate your listening and attention. Thank you, Scarlett. Okay, I have an email on the last page. My email is crystal.tseng@dfi.com. If we got any question, you can drop me the email. I hope my presentation helps for your business. Thank you and hope you are safe and healthy. See you.